Good morning and Happy New Year. Today is January 1st, 2025, and this year, as a challenge to myself, I decided I'm going to start doing vlogs every single day, and this is officially day number 1 of 365 of vlogs in 2025. Over the years, I've noticed that I've become a naturally anxious person when it comes to making YouTube videos and talking on camera, so this year I decided that every single day this year, for the next 365 days, I'm going to get better by making a YouTube video and uploading every single day. And I'm really excited to share this journey with you guys as I make a video every day over 2025. I'm really excited for later today. We're going to be going to my aunt's house and my cousin's house. We're going to be doing some work around the house with them, and I'm really excited to see them. And then after that, we're going to be going bowling together somewhere in Denver later in the evening. And see if she's able to come pick me up, because I don't have a car right now. So I used to drive a black Volvo XC90, but my parents sold it while I was traveling over the last year, so I don't have that car anymore. So she offered to come pick me up before we go bowling later, so I'm gonna go ahead and just give her a call right now, and we're gonna see what's up. Alright, so my aunt just picked me up from my house and we're heading back to her house. We're going to cook some lunch and then we're going to go over to my cousin's house and we're going to do some work over there, and then a little later we are going to go bowling with my cousin, and I will keep the vlog updated here as we go, and I will update the vlog shortly. We are currently at my cousin's house right now, and we are moving the old retro stuff into this corner bedroom right here behind me, and my job is to stack everything nice and neatly in this bedroom, and I'm gonna make sure so then we can add more stuff from around the house also into this room, because she left a lot of her stuff here. So what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be making it nice and neat, and we're gonna be making it so she can come and get the stuff, but I'm gonna make it organized and kind of put it all back together just so we can put more stuff from the rest of the house into this room. So we just finished our work here at my cousin's house, and it is now about 5:40, and we are all starving, so we're calling it quits for today, and we are going to get Chipotle. I'm really excited. Actually, I haven't had Chipotle since I left Colorado, because they don't have it in Japan or Maui. Obviously, they don't have it in Australia or Indonesia, so we're going to go get some Chipotle. I'm so excited, and I'm so hungry. Alright, so we just pulled up to Chipotle. I got a burrito bowl, and I got lettuce, extra chicken, extra guac, cheese, pico de gallo, and it looks so good. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna dig in now. So I just finished eating my Chipotle bowl. It was so good, and I haven't had Chipotle in so long, so I was really craving it. So I'm so glad I finally got to eat some really good food here at Chipotle with my auntie and my cousin, and now we're gonna go bowling. So let's go. We made it! Let's go! I'm so excited. We're at the bowling alley and we're about to do some bowling. We just finished our game of bowling, and I got absolutely crushed by my cousin and my aunt. So we're gonna head out now, and we're gonna head home. And I'm gonna probably go to bed as soon as I get home because I'm exhausted. Thank you guys so much for tuning into today's vlog. I really appreciate it. And if you like these daily vlogs and you are excited for this next year of daily vlogs that you're going to be seeing on this channel every single day for the next 365 days. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow for another daily vlog. I'll see you guys tomorrow.